12 days of Christmas. So today I would like to share with you what I have inside my Christmas box. Let's open. So I got myself a Shein blouse. I'll show you, this is a very nice blouse. The design looks really nice, and I am planning to wear this Christmas day. This is from Shein. That's my size because I'm just a small petite girl. You can see the design. It has a print. It has a print that is like lace. I'm not really sure how to describe that, but it really looks nice in person, and does have this design in this area. So nice. So this is what's inside my box, and then I have another one inside my box. So this is the other thing inside the box. So I got myself a bag, and this is just an inspired version. You can see the logo, which design brand does it is inspired from. So you can see it is inspired from the Chanel, but since this is a circular design, and I think it really resembles, it's inspired by the design Chanel 19, because of this is chain on top, and also the chain has the shoulder pad. Is that what it? I'm not really sure. The shoulder where you put in your shoulder so that it will not hurt. So this is a very nice design in color ivory, and I'll show you the inside. It's a very soft material. I really like it. So it has a zipper on the inside, and like the Chanel, it has the burgundy color on the inside, one zippered area, and so that's just design. It's just a simple bag that is inspired by the Chanel 19, but not really a dupe, not really a replica, because the logo is different. It is just inspired. So that are the two things. Those are the things that I have bought, that I have. They are both in white, and I'm planning to use them this Christmas day. And my blouse, white blouse, looks really dainty. I really like it. So that's it for today. Those are the things that is inside my box. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time.